And most of them, as I said, don't understand the history of Somaliland or Somalis in general. In 1884, Somali-speaking territories have been divided into 5 in Berlin by the European powers. They divided. One part was present-day Djibouti. It was called French Somaliland. And today's Somaliland was called British Somaliland. Mogadishu was an Italian Somaliland. And one part was given to Ethiopia, and the other part was given to Kenya. Somaliland was the first of these 5 parties, which became independent on 26 June 1960. It has been recognized by more than 35 countries, including Israel, at that time. But they have given their sovereignty instead to unite all Somalis under one flag. It was Somaliland who made the unity. And because of the incidents and the killings that happened against Somaliland, decided to stay away from the Union. So many of them in the world do not understand the history of Somalis. If the unity of Somalis is required, Djibouti then must join Somalia. It was part of it. Yes. The killing of Somali state of Ethiopia was part of Somalis. NFD was part of Northern Frontier District of Kenya was part of Somalis. If the will unity Somalis to unite, then they have to unite all of them. Why? It makes an exception, a unity between Somalia and Somaliland. I think that's not right.